Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today we are gonna be making intercooler piping for my Supercharged Genesis Coupe 3.8. Actually, there's nothing wrong with my piping now, so I'll show you now. So it still works fine actually. There's nothing wrong with it. But the only problem, I don't like how close this pulley to this pipe, I mean the silicone coupler. You probably can see the scratches on the coupler already. So also I don't like how does it look actually. It's kind of, I painted it black, but it's kind of ugly, the paint gone. So I can repaint it or maybe even get it powder coated, but I don't want it. I just want to make a new one with the polished pipes. So here I got a bunch of pipes, I mean the aluminum pipes and universal. This is the universal intercooler piping kit actually. And I got a lot of reducers from my previous projects, like at this one, like, yeah, just a lot of universal pipes. And here I got the new pieces, which I think I will be using. Here is the 76mm 45-degree pipe. I got 90 degrees as well. Yeah, so I got a 180 degree, I got one more there. I got two 90 degrees. I got a reducer from 63mm to 76. So some 90, I already cut it actually. So this pipe, this is 80mm, that will be useless. I'm not gonna be using that. So let's take the bumper off and start to make the piping. So guys, I just finished making the cold side intercooler piping. Actually I couldn't film much because it was pretty straightforward actually. So I used my 76mm 45-degree piping from here to here. I had to cut it like a 2-inch. So here is the reducer, 90-degree reducer. This side is the 60mm, this side is the 76. And this is the 90-degree pipe, which I had to cut a lot. So pretty much it was like this long. So as you can see, I just cut it like it this much, probably 25 centimeters. So it was pretty straightforward. So I checked everything, so nothing is touching anywhere. It's very clean. It looks like a factory. So basically you don't need any welding for the cold side intercooler piping, but I don't know how it's gonna be with the hot side, but I need to make it to work because I also don't have a welder. I cannot weld. So anyway, I think this side will be pretty easy too, because I want to use one 90-degree like it this way, another 90-degree from here to down. So the only tricky part will be making the pipe from here to there. Actually it's gonna be a little bit difficult because I already test fitted the 180-degree pipe, so it's not long enough. I mean it's not wide enough actually. So probably I can cut the two pieces and put a silicone coupler between and extend it a little bit. So let's see how it goes, and I'll try to film more this time so you can understand how to do it. So guys, I almost finished this lower side too, but it was a little bit hard to do it because I had to use like let me show you. I had to use two 45-degree joiner here in order to make like this shape, because I didn't have any other way how to do it without the welding. So I think it came out pretty good. This is the, as I showed you before, this is the 180-degree, I mean the U-pipe. I cut it from here a little bit and from there too. So now, okay, easy. So we can see the pipe here. The only thing is left, we need to like put the 190° here and 190° here. So now we just need to cut. I already measured how much I need to cut it. So I will be cut it here, clean it a little bit. So this will be going here like this way, just into this hose. And these two pipes I will be connecting with a T-pipe actually. So I will be using this one. So this is where my blow-off valve will be connected. And this one is actually too long too, so I need to cut a little bit. So this is the 34mm blow-off valve from the TurboSmart. So let's cut this pipe. Where is it? Alright, this one. So let's cut this pipe and then check whether it fits or not. So guys, this side is fine. So it's pretty much done actually. The only thing is left, we need to cut it from here. This is kind of too long. So we just need to connect these two pieces and that's gonna be done, I think. Actually, I don't believe it can be that easy, but alright, let's cut this one out, clean a little bit and test it again. So in order to make a clean cut, generally what I do, I put the clamp here, tighten a little bit, and now we can mark the pipe. Actually I could use a tape, just a regular tape, but tape is not that effective actually. This is the best way of doing a perfect cut. Here's our pipe. Okay. Not bad. It's pretty much done, huh? We either need to relocate this oil catch can or find another way for our... So let me think about it a little bit more. So guys, everything is pretty much done. So only the final touches are left. So for example, I don't have a bead roller, so I'll be using this tool. I don't know how to use it. Climper? I'm not sure. It's probably climper. So I need to make a bead here in order to silicone not pop out. So this is how you make it. This is the cheapest way of doing that actually, but probably I will get a vibrant roller in the future. Alright, this is how it comes out. It's pretty good. It's not that nice probably, it may look ugly, but it's gonna do its job. It's not gonna be seen, it's gonna be hidden inside the silicone coupler, so that's fine I think. So guys, I just finally finished making the intercooler piping completely. So here's the final result. As you can see, it looks very clean, very solid. So there is enough clearance to the compressor actually, I mean the supercharger bracket. There is the clearance here too, so I used to have a problem with this clearance actually. My old piping was touching to the oil cooler, so we don't have such problem anymore. So this side is clean too. There was enough clearance there. There's a little play, but probably I'll move this clamp there and we'll make some bracket from here to here just to hold it in place. So far it's gonna work so good. I think there is nothing too crazy. I just need to connect the blow valve vacuum line. So assembled everything back, put the headlight, put the bumper, clean all the mess that I made, and just start the car and test if there's any leak or so. I think there shouldn't be any leaks because I used the T-clamps everywhere and they're pretty solid, except here I didn't have such big T-clamps, but I think there's not gonna be any leak because it was very big pain in the ass to fit this silicone coupler to the MAF sensor because I messed up with the size, but finally it's a little bit stretched, but finally I made it fit. So anyway, thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.